I started with nothing. I've been investing in myself year after year after year. I've put everything into this. I was top of my class. I graduated. I got the degrees. People hate me for that. I shouldn't be doing this stuff with that kind of education. Anybody can run a lawn care business. Lawn boy. You're all talk, Mr. College. I got one lawnmower worth more than all of your equipment. You gotta start somewhere. And maybe my equipment isn't all new. Maybe it's not shiny. But it works. It gets the jobs done. And I keep it running every day, earning money. I have something more valuable than any equipment. That's also new, that you can't put a price on, that your equipment doesn't hold value to. He's the future. And I'm teaching him about work ethic. 2.5 years old with the cruise. This is why I chose to be a landscaper instead of a doctor or a lawyer, some rich financial analyst. Because this is what life is all about. If you're not going to be a farmer, be a landscaper. Locally owned, family-run business. And we're planting roots right here in the city of Ozark, Missouri.